Good morning children, myself Anil sir and we are here at the e-learning platform of St. Michael's Academy, Chhani Vidya. So this is my second video of grammar segment as to class 8. So in that we have seen all about determiners, and in determiners we have seen that articles also come under that segment. And in articles A and the are there, three words are there. The use of that we have seen. Now we are going to see all about the definite article called the. So that I have seen. We have seen earlier. We start from here. It is used before an adjective when it represents a class or is used as a noun. The rich should help the poor. Here the rich means all the rich people. There is no need to write people, the rich people. There is no need to write the rich people. Only the rich will denote the entire rich people. So the rich should help the poor. The poor means the poor people. So the rich should help the poor. It denotes the class. It is used before a common noun to represent a whole class. The camel is called the sheep of the desert. The camel means not the particular camel here. Sometimes the being the definite article, it is used to specify a particular thing also, the pen. So when we say the pen, it means a particular pen. But here the animal means not a particular camel. The camel is not a particular camel, rather all the camel. The line doesn't mean a particular line, but the line as a whole. So the camel is called the sheep of the desert. The lion is known as the king of the jungle. Okay. The is also used before a superlative. So he is the tallest boy. See, the word tallest is in superlative form. So before that, the is used. This is the smallest word in the zoo. This word is the superlative form. Small, smaller, smallest. So here the is used. It is also used before direction and things of their unique kind, or with natural things. So the sun, we say the sun, the north, the east, the west, the moon, the earth, like that. It is also used before certain common nouns like temple, theatre, park. I go to the park every. Here the park means a particular place is there. The park every evening. It is used with such phrases that specify a person or an object. This is the same pen that I was looking for. This is the same pen. She is the only child of her parents. So here the specific one is there. It is used in a phrase. The only child, the only thing. The other usage of the is there. It is the is used with sea and oceans like the Red Sea, the Indian Ocean, with the books like the Da Vinci Code, the Kite Runner, it means these are the books, the Gita, the Ramayana. Trains, ships, aeroplanes like the Titanic, the Shatabdi Express. Rivers, the Nile, the Brahmaputra, mountain ranges, newspapers, the Hindustan Times, the Indian Express, the Dainik Jagran, like that. The Taj Mahal, the Eiffel Tower, so important buildings. With that, the used whole family, the Sarmaj. The Sarmaj means all the family members of headed by Sarmaj. The Khans means all the family members coming under the Khan. So the whole family. The Sarmaj means all the Sarma families. The Khans means all the Khan families, like that. So contains with a common noun, the United States, the UAE, like that. The is also used with certain expressions. The more, the merrier. So when we compare a thing, so with two comparative words, the more, the merrier. The higher, the colder, like that. Speak the truth. So the is used before truth. On the other hand, we cannot say on the other hand. On the other hand. So in this way, we see that there are different uses of articles, and the is used at many places. We have some omissions of articles. Omissions means articles not needed. Omissions means no need. So omission of article means no need of article, no requirement of articles. So with proper noun, no article is required. Virat Kohli. So we cannot say the Virat Kohli or a Virat Kohli like that. With plural nouns. So we have seen earlier that the word a and an stands for one. So I have a pen means I have one pen. I have an apple means I have one apple. So a and an relate to singular ones. So the moment it becomes plural noun, certainly no need of using a or an. The can be used at some places. So family relations, father washes his car every day, not the father. The use of the is not proper here. Mother is baking a cake, so no article is required. But when we are asked to fill a suitable, say a fill in the blanks is there. Suppose a fill in the blanks is there and we are asked to fill with suitable determiners. So here we can say my father washes his car, my mother is baking it. So we can use possessive words before that as a part of determiners or as a piece of determiners, but there is no use of a and the. With abstract noun like honesty is the best policy, with the name of the game, like cricket is very popular, we cannot say the cricket. We cannot say an honesty or the honesty. Okay? So with that, we are some other words are there. With that, we are finishing use of articles. Okay, thank you.